video sent to us by our viewers and some of the photos as well. The snowy scene at Beckley Creek Park, part of the parklands of Floyd's Fork.
And snow video also coming to us from Elizabethtown around 2 this afternoon. There we are. As the latter end of today's snow made its way through, and those flakes were big.
It was quite the dividing line coming into work this morning, this afternoon. You know, I was in through some heavy snow that looked just like that. Then just as you crossed the line and getting close to downtown Mallory, it was rain.
Yeah, we literally, when we talk about a wintry mix, we talk about something like what we had today. We had freezing rain and drizzle that transitioned over to snow, and then I had some sleet because I was hearing it. Anytime you can hear it, you know, there's some sleet there, then back over to rain, big snowflakes, a little bit of everything. Now that has moved out, and we are drying things out. Something new today, a winter storm watch has been issued for the majority of the Kentuckiana viewing area. It goes into place starting Saturday morning and takes us through Monday morning. That does not mean we will be seeing snow that entire time, but major impacts will really be escalating once we head into Saturday night, Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. Before we even get to the snow, though, we're going to have cold air rolling in. Strong Arctic air rolling in, staying in place, and likely being locked in place with that fresh snowfall on the ground this weekend, keeping us cold through at least early next week. So high temperatures the next 5 days. Thursday, quiet day. Temperatures upper 30s, maybe close to 40 degrees, depending on if we see more peaks of sunshine. Friday, temperatures look to drop. So we'll likely hit our high temperature earlier in the day. Those temperatures drop afternoon, evening into the overnight. Overnight lows in the single digits possible Friday night into Saturday morning. That is the very cold air that will be locked in place as snow gets going across Kentuckiana. And because of that, high temperatures this weekend looking to be in the teens, maybe lower 20s if we can squeeze up to that point. Our exact temperatures next week will be dependent on just how much snowfall we have on the ground. But know whatever snow falls this weekend will stick, and it will be sticking around for quite some time. Temperatures right now, we're sitting at 39 degrees in Louisville, 41 in Bowling Green, 45 up in Indianapolis, 42 over in Evansville. So temperatures are near average for this time of year. Max HD radar showing all that moisture that we had around for a decent chunk of the day off and on, especially on the Kentucky side of the river. That is moving on out, and clouds look to gradually decrease as we head into tonight. Lows tonight will be dropping into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Should be much quieter with drier conditions and a light breeze. And then, as I mentioned, staying quiet for Thursday, and then Friday is when those temperatures start to drop. We have weather impact alerts in place for both Saturday and Sunday, as we are expecting, of course, accumulating snowfall. That's what all the buzz is about this week. Poor travel and very cold temperatures in play. So let's take a look at one of the options for the futurecast here, showing us starting off Saturday with quiet conditions. It does look like light snow will start to spread from west to east during Saturday afternoon, picking up in intensity by Saturday night and into Sunday morning. The question is just how far north this entire system nudges, how far north what's called the warm nose nudges. And that's important because that's when we'll see that transition from snow to something more of a mix of sleet or even freezing rain. At this time, that stays primarily down to the south of the parkways there, but some sleet mixing in certainly possible Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, before this entire system pushes off to our east by Sunday evening into Sunday night. So quiet conditions once again Thursday and Friday. Temperatures drop throughout the day on Friday. Weather impact alerts this weekend. And as I mentioned, whatever snow falls will make a major impact into next week with single-digit lows, even colder wind chills. That snow will be sticking around for quite some time. Connie.
Mallory, thank you so much. Well, right